Hi, and welcome to the course. In today's competitive environment, the time taken for the product to reach the market is very important and has an impact on the success of the company. Hence, proper conduct of its regulatory affairs activities is of considerable economic importance. The companies manufacturing and marketing these products must ensure that they supply quality products to the public for their health and welfare. It is well said in one reference that all substances are poisons. The right dose differentiates a poison and a remedy. No drug product is completely safe or efficacious in all circumstances. But there is a legal as well as moral expectation that appropriate steps are taken to assure optimum quality, safety, and efficacy by the producers concerned. Regulatory affairs is nothing but an affair between the competent authority and an applicant company to manage the product life cycle. It is intellectually stimulating, highly regarded and rewarding profession within regulatory sectors developed from the desire of governments to protect the public health by controlling product quality in areas including pharmaceuticals, medical devices, pesticides, agrochemicals, etc. In this course, we are going to discuss pharmaceutical or drug regulatory affairs in detail. As far as pharmaceutical industry is concerned, regulatory affairs may be defined as the interface between the pharmaceutical company and the regulatory agencies across the world. Before acquiring market approval, every drug must undergo meticulous inspection and clinical trials. These standards are brought by the regulatory authorities of their corresponding countries like US FDA in United States of America, MHRA for the United Kingdom, etc. Hence, the better the scientific exactitude, the higher will be the chances for the product to reach the market within the expected time. The pharmaceutical research and development process of bringing a new drug to the market takes many years and costs several millions of rupees or dollars. Even a small mistake in any of the activities related to regulatory can lead to a product recall, loss of several millions of money, and company's reputation. Drug regulatory affairs is a combination of science and management to achieve a commercially important target within a drug development organization. It touches everything from the earliest non clinical studies through development into routine manufacture and marketing of the drugs. The drug regulatory affairs professional plays an important role in every phase of the drug development process, from developing regulatory strategies following a new chemical entity discovery to planning post marketing activities. The regulatory affairs professional is the only one who is completely responsible for holding products in compliance and maintaining all records. The DRA professional must possess a proficient scientific background, say, for example, PhD or MD or graduation or post graduation in pharmacy or science or PharmD, and must have acquired a thorough knowledge of national as well as international regulations. I always believe that quality improvement is a continuous and lifetime process. Welcome to Certificate Course in Drug Regulatory Affairs. I have designed this course to help employees of pharmaceutical industry, pharma entrepreneurs, pharma consultants, graduate, postgraduate students of pharmacy, medical and science field. Anyone who is eligible and wants to make a career in drug regulatory affairs can enroll to this course. Updated drug regulatory affairs knowledge will definitely help you to garner more respect from your team members, managers, potential clients, or anyone with whom you are communicating drug regulatory affairs activities. Sharing or discussing regulatory affairs information will paint your favorable image in the person's mind you are communicating. This course is going to take you through step-by-step approach to become an effective DRA professional. This course covers more than 30 informative videos that will help you to upgrade your regulatory affairs knowledge. This course includes basic understanding and terminologies related to DRA, essential qualities and need of DRA professional in pharmaceutical industry. We are also going to cover types of companies hiring RA professionals, DRA objectives, and major agencies for drug regulations in United States of America and other countries. Besides this, we are going to touch drug approval process in USA, preclinical steps, investigational new drug application, abbreviated new drug application, Orange Book, Drug Master File, Common Technical Document that is CTD, Electronic Common Technical Document that is ECTD, and many more. There will be several downloadable documents in PDF format so that you can follow along with that whenever you need it. Last but not the least, we are going to cover some commonly asked questions that will help you while preparing drug regulatory affairs interview. I have also attached hyperlinked PDF files of regulatory authorities of various countries and various popular ECTD softwares available in the market. This will help to redirect you to the respective website upon clicking the same. By the end of this course, you will be a whole different person. This course will not only help you to save time but also help in improving work productivity related to DRA. It is always going to give you a leg up. I don't know where you work, but my intention is to get you ready working high and then being able to make appropriate adjustment for your workplace through updated DRA knowledge. This course is complete and will be updated so that you can always come back to it whenever you need to relook the same in the future. My name is Dr. Sachin Potawle. In my view, if you want to become effective DRA professional, you have to continuously learn and adapt the relevant knowledge, and you have to stand out from the common crowd. By working hard and practicing what most professionals don't do as far as DRA knowledge upgradation is concerned, you are putting yourself in a respectable and responsible position. Although we spend our lives doing the job, the actual time for DRA knowledge upgradation, that is, professional upgradation, is very less. Let's gain the extra edge, because once you learn it, you have it for the rest of your life. I look forward to help you succeed in your professional journey. Go ahead, take this course and learn how to become an effective DRA professional. I am very excited to see you on the board. This is Dr. Sachin Potawle signing out.